Number 1. His love for all things herbology. Neville didn't have the easiest time when it comes to his lesson at Hogwarts. We know our hearts broke every time Professor Snape was cruel to him in potions. But Neville did have a wonderful gift for herbology. We could not have been happier than when we found out that he had gone to become a herbology professor. It was the perfect fit for him. We adored the passion that he had for the subject, the way he would light up when talking about magical flora and fauna, and how it was the one class that helped to raise him self-esteem. Number 2. His clumsy in nature. We secretly loved that Neville wasn't the most coordinated person. It undoubtedly brought some lighter moment to the story. Whether he was tripping over a stool on his way to the sorting hat, breaking his wrist in the first ever flying lesson, smashing teacup in divination, or melting Seamus' cauldron in potions, it just made him all the more relatable. Neville had never been on a broomstick in his life because his grandmother had never let him near one, and Harry felt she'd had good reason because Neville managed to have an extraordinary number of accidents even with both feet on the ground. Number 3. His rebellious streak. When we first met Neville, he didn't strike us as someone that was a risk taker or rule breaker. In fact, sometimes it seemed as though he was using all his concentration just to get through the day without any major accidents or disasters. He certainly didn't seem to have space to be thinking about mischief or mayhem. Yet he grew as a person throughout the series, and by the time we reached Deathly Hallows, he had become a stronger leader. With a rebellious side, we think the way he stood up to the Cross and Snape was fantastic. He never gave them a moment's peace. Who would have believed that the Neville we met at the first year would be a Neville that broke into the headmaster's office or graffitied the walls of Hogwarts? Number 4. His bravery. We would suggest that Neville is one of the bravest characters in the entire story, and while it is possible to think of plenty of examples that demonstrate this from later in the series, one of our favorite brave Neville moments has to be the very first time he stood up for himself. As Albus Dumbledore said in Philosopher's Stone, it takes a great deal to bravery to stand up to our own enemies, but just as much as stand up to our friends. Number 5. His loyalty. One other excellent thing about Neville was his loyalty. Despite being a pure blood who would be accepted in Voldemort's new world, he was never tempted to do anything other than the right thing. He showed loyalty to his friends, his school, and also his parents. Neville continued their work of fighting dark wizards from the Battle of Department of Mystery to the Battle of Hogwarts, and never wavered in his resolve. Number 6. His hardworking nature. As we touching upon before, Neville did struggle when it comes to learning magical. It didn't come as naturally to him as it did to people like Hermione or Ginny. However, rather than wallow in self-pity, Neville worked hard. He was determined, never gave up, and ended up being able to hold his own amongst his peers. We were particularly proud of the way he threw himself into being a member of Dumbledore's army, and were thrilled to see all the hard work eventually pay off. Number 7. His resilience. Harry Potter wasn't the only student in his year to have had a troubled or traumatic upbringing. Neville was raised by his gran after Bellatrix Lestrange and Crony tortured both his parents into insanity. Nevertheless, Neville did not let that horrific event hold him back or break him. When he came face to face with the person responsible for upending his life, he did not wilt or crumble, even when she used the same Cruciate's curse on him. The strength it must have taken to do that should not go unnoticed. Number 8. His love for his family. While Neville did not really mention his parents and often seemed to be a little terrified of his gran, we still got the sense that he loved them all deeply. We know we were particularly touched when he pocketed that sweet wrapper his mother presented to him as a gift in St. Mungo's. Rather than tossing it away as his gran suggested, we also adored the way he seemed to be so proud of the woman who raised him, especially when he was battling Death Eaters like the best of them. The fact that he kept her letter in a pocket close to his heart says it all really. So thanks a lot for watching Porales. So this was the video about the Neville. I hope you like this video, and what other reason could be to love Neville. Be sure to comment below and I will mention in some other video. So we end this video here, and before ending this video, if you are not following me on Instagram, then please follow me on Instagram to see Harry Potter memes. Link is in the description, and also you can shop amazing and iconic merchandise of Harry Potter on the website Fandomian. Link is in the description. So shop whatever you want to shop and use the code Rajput for 5% extra discount. And now I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.